I don't feel the pain anymore in my hands.
Hands back and knees.
Yeah.
No more pain.
Yeah. The knees, there was still stiffness.
Stiffness.
And then we got to Manila. He did the whole procedure, the blowering procedure. Years, I had very deep sleep.
Wow.
After how many years?
Yes, because it's a six-year ordeal. It was a 6-year ordeal for me.
What is the pain? Pain level? 1 to 10?
About 8.
8? Continuous or intermittent?
Intermittent.
But she'd wake up crying.
Wow.
She'd have nightmares because of the pain. Yeah.
Because of the pain.
That's a daily occurrence.
Daily?
Yes.
What kind of change, like?
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, I can open my eyes. Tapos parati ko na kung ganyan.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Yeah. Then after that, diretso na. That's why I really like the product because sustained eh. It did not come back after a few days. Still, the edema of the hands nawawala na. And then the pain, wala na. When you were in Malaysia? I was able to wear heels again. Yes. Imagine that. Before hanggang rubber shoes na lang, and then I walk like a penguin kasi parang pag may maling move, baka sasakit na naman yung pain from the back going down, and then from the back going to the hands. I have suffered from sciatica for quite some time already, mga 6 years ago.
6 years? Even you're a doctor, you did not treat yourself?
I did. We've tried acupuncture. We've tried all the NSAIDs. Except that the reason why I was looking for alternative because NSAIDs hanggang paracetamol and then mefenamic lang ako. Allergic ako all the other NSAIDs up. So, after 2 months of mefenamic, biglang nag-asthma na ako. So, cancel ulit yun. So, paracetamol na lang yung pwede sa pain. Then, we also tried physical therapy, which did not last long. I even got worse with physical therapy.
Grabe naman to.
And then, acupuncture provided good resolution, but the pandemic occurred. So, we also tried chiropractor, temporary. I did not see the pain gets lost, and then hindi siya progressive yung healing. So, in other words, we got to meet Morris after January siya nagte-text kay Mark. We were parang ayaw na namin ng ganyan. But anyway, end of February, the fingers were already getting very painful. And then the pain did not want to go away. So we were something like desperate to find a relief for the pain.
So this pain has been with you for how many years?
Almost 6 years, yes.
And then right now it ended.
Yeah.
Yes.
10 years going back.
Can you imagine many doctors right now, especially us, we call this alternative medicine.
Yes.
And many doctors will be on that box. But you see, when yun yung sasabi, Doc, when the innovation comes, the former becomes obsolete. The new technology. Terahertz, there's no terahertz before.
Right.
But we just have to be open about it. So many doctors will, right now we have 500 plus medical doctors. The scale is already removed. We have surgeons, we have neurosurgeons.
Cardiologists, oncologists.
Yes.
Yes.